A good leader is competent in their responsibilities. A good leader is connected with their people, with their community, has a true connection. And then last but not least, they have exceedingly high character. Because people don't believe what they hear, they believe what they see. And so it's competence, it's connection, it's character. We find the students at Saginaw Valley, they come out already with those 3 C's. They come out with a great foundation of education. They come out with the understanding of the importance of people in industry today and how important character is. Someone that has the privilege to attend college and graduate from college has a competitive advantage in today's global economy. When we were approached about the Garber Cardinal Business Edge opportunity, it was attractive twofold. Number one, because we wanted to solidify and grow our relationship with the university, and selfishly develop a better relationship where we would have access to some of the graduating students to help grow our organization and make us better. And secondly, we wanted to provide some resources that would help the learnings of these young people and expose them to things that they might not get in the traditional classroom. And as a result, we saw that as a win-win.